So here I have the URCERI torque wrench. And it comes with a little manual if you don't know how to use a torque wrench, but I do. So here we go. If we open it up, you can see inside. Well, everything falls out. But here we go. Here's the torque wrench right here. And it's a nice size one. It's not super duper long, so you won't be able to get super high torque unless you put like an extra bar on it. But it seems very easy to turn, and comes with a few sockets for it. So sockets fit on pretty easy. And I'm not gonna be able to get enough torque on this, but it seems like a nice one. It's got the little branding on it, the URCERI, and got a little extender so you can make it a little bit longer. It was like a 1/4 inch size. And just a few of those. It's a nice little box that it comes into, so it won't hopefully get rusted and stuff out in the salt weather. And it comes with a warranty. And obviously it's been inspected. And explains how to do it here in the instructions. Pretty basic. Seems like a nice torque wrench. I definitely need it for doing some shocks and springs and stuff for the trailer. Nice. I like it.